Nope. These are little love holdings. The love bites. It's not really a bite, she's just holding on to Mommy because she doesn't want Mommy going anywhere. She's sleepy, she wants to go to sleep. And she wants to take a nap with Mommy, right next to her. And she's got Daddy here. Hi, Daddy.
Hi, how are you?
You got a bird on you.
Certainly do. Very happy bird. She's been sitting there for the last, half hour or so. She loves it.
Surprised she's not sleeping yet. She's about to fall asleep.
She's very happy there, as you can see.